I Pick Fall Pumpkins by Mary Lindeen. Let's go to the pumpkin patch to find huge pumpkins, tiny pumpkins, and maybe even a blue pumpkin. Picking pumpkins. It is fun to pick pumpkins in the fall. Pumpkins grow on a vine. A field where pumpkins grow is called a pumpkin patch. They are ripe and ready to pick in the fall. Pumpkin colors. Pumpkins can be orange. Pumpkins can be red. Pumpkins can be white. Pumpkins can be black. Pumpkins can be blue too. Pumpkin sizes. Some pumpkins are small. Some pumpkins are tiny. Some pumpkins are big. Some pumpkins are huge. All pumpkins need soil, sunshine, and water to grow. Parts of a pumpkin. A pumpkin has a stem at one end. The stem connects to the vine. The outside of a pumpkin is called the skin. It is hard and bumpy. The inside of a pumpkin is soft and mushy. It is called the pulp. Lots of seeds are also inside a pumpkin. These seeds can be planted to grow new pumpkins next year. Eating pumpkins. Some pumpkins are for eating. This pumpkin pie is soft and sweet. Miss Powell loves a good pumpkin pie. These pumpkin seeds are salty and crunchy. Pumpkin seeds are good for you. What do you like best about pumpkins? Here we have a glossary. A glossary is like a mini dictionary in the back of a text that gives us the definition of words used in the text the author thinks we might need to know. Pulp is the soft, juicy part of a fruit or vegetable. Ripe means ready to be harvested, picked, or eaten. Skin, the outer covering of a fruit or vegetable. Stem, a part of a plant that supports the fruit. And vine, a long, winding plant that grows along the ground or climbs on a fence, tree, or other support.